In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files on Dropbox. By the end, you'll know exactly which sharing option to use and how to send your files quickly and safely. Start by opening your web browser and going to dropbox.com. Log into your account to access your files. On the left-hand side, look for the Folders tab. Click it to see your organized folders, then open the folder that contains the file you want to share. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right place. It's easy to have multiple versions of a file, and picking the correct one will save time. Once you see your file, hover your mouse over it. You'll notice a share button appear alongside the file name. Click that to open the sharing options. From here, you have three straightforward ways to share. First, you can add people directly. Type in the email addresses of the people you want to invite. This method is best if you're collaborating and want to control who can view or edit. Choose whether they can view or edit the file, and consider adding a short message so they know what the file is and why you're sharing it. The recipients will receive a notification with access, and you'll maintain clear oversight of who can do what. Second, you can copy a link. Dropbox will generate a URL you can paste into an email, chat, or text message. This is fast and convenient when you need to share with a broader group without entering each address. Keep in mind that anyone with the link can view the file, so share it only with people you trust. This is ideal for view-only access, perfect for reference files, handouts, or read-only documents. Third, you can transfer a copy using Dropbox Transfer. This sends a separate copy of the file, which is especially useful for large files or when you want a one-way send. The recipient doesn't need a Dropbox account, and your original file stays untouched. Think of this as delivery of a final version rather than ongoing collaboration. Choose the option that fits your situation: direct invites for collaboration, link sharing for quick view access, or transfer a copy when you need to deliver a file without affecting your original. That's it. Go to dropbox.com, log in, navigate to your folder, hover over the file, click share, and select the method that matches your needs. Thanks for watching.